Want to achieve salon quality French cat eye tips at home? Stay tuned as I review the BTR Box X-Coat tips and show you how to get perfect nails with ease. Huge thanks to BTR Box for sponsoring this video and sending over these amazing products. Happy New Year everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first video for 2025 and I hope everyone had a great holiday. I want to apologize for the delay in posting this video. I've been under the weather, as you can still hear, but I'm back and excited to share this with you. Today I'm reviewing the BTR Box X-Coat tips Cat Eye French in the medium almond size. These tips are designed to save you time and money with their quick design and hard quality. I'll also be leaving my affiliate link in the description box below, so you can easily get these amazing tips for yourself. Many of us dream of having beautiful salon quality nails at home, but often struggle with finding the right products and technique. From poorly adhering tips to uneven finishes, achieving that perfect look can be challenging. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's see if the BTR Box X-Coat tips can solve these common issues. Let's get started with the unboxing and see what BTR Box sent over in this amazing kit. Cat Eye French tips in medium almond, providing a classy and elegant look for your nails. UV lamp, a compact UV lamp with a decent length cord, perfect for curing your gels efficiently. French protecting kit. This includes the builder gel, tip glue, and top coat. Everything you need for secure and long-lasting nail tips. Now let's move on to the application process. And now for the grand reveal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more nail tutorials and reviews. Be sure to hit that bell icon to get notified of all my latest videos. Today we reviewed the BTR Box X-Coat Tips Cat Eye French in medium almond and demonstrated how to achieve perfect French tips at home using the French Protecting Duo Kit and a UV lamp. These tips are designed for quick application and long-lasting wear, making it easy to get salon quality nails at home. Huge thanks again to BTR Box for sponsoring this video and providing these fantastic products. I hope you found this video helpful and feel inspired to try this kit yourself. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your nails fabulous.